Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Princess Tori from Barbie as the princess and the pop star in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the look and I'm going to show you how I created this look in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and also this one, and then you're going to color it with this pink color. This is for the color code. Okay, and the next one we're going to select this skirt. And for your information guys, we need items from the VIP room. So this tutorial is especially for the VIP users. Okay guys, and we're going to color it with this pink color for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to color it with this blue. And wait, I'm going to change the toggle. I'm going to select toggle 2. Okay, this one. And wait, let me go back to the color wheel. Okay, let's move to this preview. I'm going to make it pink color. Okay, and for the last one, I'm going to make it this blue color. And then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, just make them all glitter. But sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working. But if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this dress. And then I'm going to change the toggle. I'm going to select toggle 3. And I'm going to make it this pink color. And again, we're going to make it glitter. Okay, and select the skirt as well. I'm going to make it glitter. And we're going to make it pink. Okay, and then I'm going to select this skirt, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to change the toggle. I'm going to make it this toggle. Okay, you can select toggle 3. Okay, and you're going to make it this pink color for the first selection. And for the next selection, you're going to make it this blue color. And also for the third selection, and for the last selection, you're going to make it blue. And don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, just make it glitter like this. Okay, and now let's move to this shoe area. I'm going to choose this one and also this one, and I'm going to color it pink. Okay, and then I'm going to make it glitter. Okay guys, and the next one, you can put on this tiara. Make it this gold color. This one guys. Make it gold for the base and diamonds. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this necklace. And we're going to make it pink. This pink. And also this pink color. Okay, this is for the coat. And I'm going to make it this pink for the next one. Okay, now it's done. And the last one, I'm just going to go out of the VIP room and then I'm going to grab the microphone. So I'm going to go to this area and select this microphone. Okay guys, now it's done and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Princess Tori from Barbie as the princess and the pop star. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!